Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another entry into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. This entry comes from Crafting with Gabby here on YouTube. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go check her out and show her some crafty love. Ooh, let's see. So she's added some of this washi to seal up this acetate box. I wonder if she made this acetate box or if she's gotten it from packaging. Oh, let's see, let's see. This is beautiful. Ooh, wow. Let's see what she... Oh, look, and she even has my name on it. Gabby, thank you so much. Look at how cute. It's a freaking Mickey shaker. Aww. This is so cute. Look. Do you see the Mickey head in there? And my name, Maka. Aww. Thank you so much, girl. So she's crafting with Gabby. She's from Illinois. She's a December baby. She loves almond joys and crafty hugs. Well, girl, here's my crafty hug for you. Thank you so much for joining my challenge and for entering. I appreciate all your love and support. And look at this. She's even gifted me some of the shaker bits she's used in the shaker. So cute. I love these little jars. I've shared sequence mixes with these jars before too. Look at how cute they look. Thank you so much. And yeah, let's get to the card finally. But look at, oh, did you make this acetate envelope? She has some cupcake washi. And look at the little Mickey head in the bottom. How cute. Ooh. Aw, she gifted me more letters with my name. Thank you so much. Oh, this is awesome. With some Mickey heads. I can decorate something. Aw, thank you, girl. I appreciate it so much. Look at these Mickey heads. Did you make these? It looks like she made these. Awesome socks. Look. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Gabby. Hi, Maka. Congratulations on your wonderful channel and channel growth. Crafty hugs, Gabby. Oh, girl, thank you so much. I appreciate you and your love and support. Thank you for sending in a Memorydex for my challenge. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And until the next video, shakas!